Chapter 3 Physical Features of India. Introduction to the chapter. India is the seventh largest country of the world. If you travel through India, we will find that India has a variety of land surfaces. Let's study these varieties of land surfaces of India. The land surface of India varies from place to place. It has high mountains, vast plains, dry deserts, and thick forests. It also has a long coastline, beautiful beaches, and many rivers. If we look at the map of India, we will find a whole range of colors related to the different landforms. The northern mountains, Himalayas. The northern part of India has the highest mountain ranges on the earth. The Himalayas are the highest mountain ranges in the world. There are many lofty peaks in the Himalayas which remain snow-bound throughout the year. The northern plains. As we go down to the south of the Himalaya, we came to the northern plains of India. These fertile plains have been formed by sediments brought down by rivers like the Satluj, Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, etc. There are narrow strips of plains along the western and eastern coasts of India. The east coastal plains are broader than the west coastal plains because many rivers form delta here. The southern plateau. The land which is flat and higher than its surrounding area is called a plateau. To the south of the northern plains lie a huge triangular plateau called the southern plateau. In this plateau region, the land is rocky and uneven. Many low hills exist here. The plateau is bounded by western Ghats and eastern Ghats which meet at the Nilgiri Hills. It covers a large part of the Indian peninsula. The Great Indian Desert. A large area of North Rajasthan is a sandy desert called the Great Indian Desert or the Thar Desert. It lies to the west of northern plains. It is mostly hot and dry. It has very few plants and trees. The camel is commonly used in the desert for transport. It is called the ship of the desert. The coastal plains. The southern part of India is surrounded by large water bodies on three sides. This part is called a peninsula. The Arabian Sea lies on the western side, the Bay of Bengal on the eastern side, and the Indian Ocean on the southern side. The climate is neither too hot nor too cold. The eastern coastal plains lies between the eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal. It stretches from the delta of the Ganga in the north to Kanyakumari in the south. It is wider and more fertile than the western coastal plain. The northern part of this plain is known as the Northern Circus, and the southern part is called the Coromandel Coast. Islands. An island is a piece of land completely surrounded by water. There are many islands in the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands lie in the Bay of Bengal. The Lakshadweep Islands lies in the Arabian Sea. The different land surfaces have different types of climate. The mountains have a cold climate. The northern plains remain very hot in the summer and cold in winter. The coastal places are neither very hot nor very cold. The Deccan Plateau remains hot throughout the year.